Welcome again to my tutorial video on how you can create and verify your Vantage account. In this video, you guys just make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to all your friends on social media. So let's just dive into the video right now. So when you click on the link down below this video, you're gonna try to click on to fill all your information, put your password. Then you can just put my name, my referral code, wherever. You can just say Wascom and Wascom. I'm gonna try to put in Wascom around this area as me. Right, that's that simple. Then you're gonna try to make sure to put in your own email address, everything. Put your password. Then make sure you click on app, not in US. Then scroll down and just click on this create an account. It's that simple. That's how you can just register. So let me just do that right now, then I will get back to you because I don't want to show any email whatever for security reason. So I'll just put the email address, everything, then I'll just click on this create an account right now in the short period of time, guys. So when you check your email, they will send a code to your email address. You need to just make sure to copy the code and try to make sure you copy the code like this. Then you need to just go and paste it on that area I showed you earlier. So that is what you need to just go to your email. Then you need to just paste the code. Then you just click on register. Right now, I just click on register, and everything has been fully set up right now. Right now, you need to just make sure to complete all this particular step. You need to just make sure to put your first name, your last name. You have to select your gender, the date of birth, months of the year, everything. Then you have to just select the phone number and everything. You are good to go. Then you start trading. So let me just do that right now. I'm gonna try to click on next after filling all the information, first name, last name, everything that I'll just show you right now real quick, guys. So right now you need to just make sure to open your account, your trading account as well. This is how you can easily open your trading account. We recommend MT5 as your as your recommended app. Don't use MT4 because MT5 has a lot of features, all right, for you guys to so you just click on this, make sure you click on the standard. This is standard one, standard account. And when you select standard, you're gonna select USD account. Your account was the standard. This is the recommended one is MT5. Select this one as your something. Then come to here and select. You can select anyone or this, but select USD. Then you can easily create a nickname. You can just write any name here. You can say you can just say you can just write FS Trader, wherever. You can just, it's optional. You can just say FS Trader. This one is just optional. So just then gonna try to make sure you select standard MT5, select USDT. Then optional here, try to make sure this area is click. All right, then you're gonna try to click on next. It's that simple. It's that simple. All right, click on next, then you are good to go to next step. Then they will send all your, can you see, complete. Then you need to just make sure to verify your account as well. All right, so you can deposit right now. Then click on this ID verification to put your normal, either Nigerian ID card, voters card, national ID card, and everything. All right, then it's that simple. Then you're gonna try to come to this area, click on ID verification. This area is very security area. I may not show you this area. You can just click on continue this area. Then just make sure to put everything, put your name, everything. All right, around this area. I may not show it. I may block it. All right, it's very that simple. You're gonna try to click on this continue this area. Then you just make sure to do everything. We have driver license. All right, driver license, passport, ID card. You can select ID card as your preferable one. It's that simple. You can just easily upload it. So that's simple. This is just simple, and you can just make sure you continue here. Then you can easily upload the front side, the back side of the ID. It's that simple. Then your account will be verified. So let me just do that right now, and then I'll get back to it in real quick right now, guys. Right now, I've already uploaded everything, the front side, the back side, I'm gonna try to click on continue right now, so that I can move to the next step right now. Continue. We are processing your data. Just make sure to wait at this area so that everything will be identified correctly. Less than 5 minutes, you have already been verified from this company. It doesn't take. Can you see your profile has been verified? You can see for Nigerian, you can easily use national ID card, NIN to verify your account. You can see your profile has been verified. So guys, this is a simple way on how you can easily verify your account step by step from Xnet. Then you can easily try to just go and deposit money. So you can see the account is fully verified. The next step right now is to just make sure for you guys to try to just cancel here. Then everything is being verified by you. You can start using the account. Then you can easily just log into go to your email, and this is your MT4 account. You can easily just, you see everything there on your MT5. This is when you click on accounts, you're gonna see the MT5 account. The MT5 account you open. You can see this is the MT5. If you want to get everything, this is you log in. Just go and check your email. You're gonna get it. You can change it. You can change your password. You can do whatever you want to do with it. So it's that simple. Immediately you this video just based on how you can register, verify, and get your MT5 account. So you can see this is a simple way. Just go and check your email. You are going to see your MT4 login to log into your MT5 account. So in my next video, guys, I'll show you step-by-step strategy on how you can log into your MT5 step by step. Then you can easily just go and deposit. You click on this deposit area. You can use Naira. You can use whatever country. Let's say you want to go for $500, $200. Let's say $100 an example. You go for $100. You're gonna click on this continue. You can even use any app to currency. You can just come to this area. All right, you can use Bitcoin. You can use BEP20. Let's say TRC20. You're gonna click on this continue right now. Then the account will be fully verified. It's very, very simple and easy. Then you're gonna just copy the wallet address and copy here and go to your exchange Binance account. Then you paste and copy. It's that simple. So this is a very tutorial, guys, on how you can easily register and verify your account, and you are good to go, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do well to subscribe, like this video, share this video step by step. In my next coming video, guys, I will show you guys how you can easily log into your MT5 app right now in my next coming video. See you guys in my next coming. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.